Hey my loves, welcome to today's vlog. There are so many little things I want to review, so I decided to combine them all into one video. I apologize if my voice sounds a little raspy, but that is because of the haze that we are experiencing in Malaysia and Singapore at the moment. There is a lot of hype about the freebies that you get when you order your products from Grove Collaborative. Grove Collaborative products are clean as they do not contain any chemicals, and they also have a monthly delivery system. Unfortunately, I'm not able to order those products out of the USA. Now, one of the main attractions of Grove Collaborative is the free gifts that they offer when you register for the monthly delivery. I wanted to see for myself the quality of the freebies, and so with the help of a friend from the US, I got this parcel yesterday. It contains some of the free gifts that Grove Collaborative gives their customers, and I wanted to unbox this with all of you. I'm just going to remove this bubble wrap so we can see what's inside. It's really exciting because these products are generally only available in US, and I'm so blessed to have such wonderful friends who took the trouble to send me these pieces. First piece. Okay, so I do like the sturdy packaging. It has Grove Collaborative written here, and in front it says Bubble Up. So let's take a look at what's inside. Out comes this brush. It's a dish brush. And I really do love the wooden handle that it comes with and the short bristles. Now, long bristles cause splatter and short ones do not, which is probably why they have used short bristles. You basically just put your dish liquid into the bowl and the brush will bubble up when you dip it in. The ceramic bowl is also the right size to do one load of dishes, and after that, you can let the brush drip dry on this centerpiece. There are 2 of these bubble up sets in here. For this first product, I am definitely impressed by the quality and the overall look of the bubble up brush and bowl set. Now the next piece comes in this cylindrical box. The box is definitely durable, and that is great to keep the glass bottle safe while it is in transit. And for DIY enthusiasts, I'm sure you can find a way to repurpose this sturdy box. Offhand, I think it'll just make a great box for coloring pencils. I'm going to keep these boxes, so let me know in the comments what I can use these for. It says 16-ounce spray bottle, and inside, oh yeah, look at how beautiful the bottle is. I absolutely love it. It's clear and not too thick or too tall. And I love the fact that there is this silicone piece at the bottom that makes it less slippery in the hand. I also love the fact that the silicone is gray. I've got 3 of these bottles in here, so let's go ahead and open another one to see if it is the same. Yes, it seems to be the same bottle, but oh look, the silicone is in a different color. This one is aqua, and that means I can have 2 different products in these bottles without any confusion. For the fear of sounding repetitious, I'm going to say it again. The products are high quality and beautifully crafted, and it is amazing that they give these away as freebies. Of course, they do advertise their brand name on every product, but that's fair given that it is meant to remind you to order through Grove Collaborative. The other product in my package is this stoneware tray. The packaging is the same durable card, which keeps the tray safe during transit. The finish is very fine, and it comes in a neutral white color, which will suit the aesthetics of any kitchen. The tray is the perfect size to hold the bubble up bowl and brush and a decanter of dish liquid, and this tray will keep everything neat in the kitchen. I'm using this faux marble tray to hold 2 of these 16-ounce spray bottles, one containing a store-bought glass cleaner, the other contains my homemade cleaning spray, which is made of vinegar and water and a few drops of essential oil. Those of you who have been following my channel would know that I have a weakness for marble. So when we received this marble contact paper for review, my first choice was to use it to redo our lift. But then I felt that I had so many marble accessories which would definitely benefit from being paired up with a marble top in the kitchen. This faux marble tray looks quite seamless sitting on this countertop. If you have watched my menu planning video, you will also know that I have a marble notebook for that purpose. And in case you haven't, I will leave you a link in the description box below. So I decided to give the kitchen island an overhaul. My son and Paul helped me by attaching it to our countertop. For now, I can only say that it looks really good and it's really shiny and that it is quite easy to handle. Although the supplier claims that it is water and oil resistant, I am not ready to agree or disagree. I will let you know in a few weeks how I find the quality of the product. However, while I'm sticking contact paper in the kitchen, do you think I should also do this counter as well? I think I should, as it will give a more uniform look, but I would like to know what you think in the comments below. Another gadget that I want to share with you today is this faucet sensor, which is from Banggoods. All you need to do is to attach this to your existing tap or faucet. I find this very useful, especially if my hands are dirty. I do not need to touch anything. Just bring my hands under the faucet and the sensor will activate a steady stream of water. Once you remove your hands, it will automatically stop. You can also touch this button here to switch off the sensor and have an uninterrupted flow of water. So my loves, I hope you will give some of these items a try in your home. Although these products are given to me for review, I assure you that my opinion is sincere. I do not accept sponsorship to review products that I would not try in my own home. I also hope that you have enjoyed this review vlog and let me know if you would like me to do more reviews. Until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy home.